Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at low cost. Take advantage of fast and free shipping. And they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's take a look inside this big old box. See what came in. Oh boy. I see something. Here we go. Got that one. Alright. Put that one down on the ground. So now we come in from RFAQK. I don't know. This is a 100-piece cake pan set for beginner. That's what I am. Alrighty, guys. So this would be a good time to start learning something new. This is what it looks like. Kind of like a mystery box. Let's see what we get inside. Icing cake sculpture thingy. Spreader. Whatever you want to call it. We got some thingies right here. I have no idea. Oh, and this looks like a weapon. Might be sharp, so be careful. Probably just smooth out the frosting or something. I don't know about that one. Okay. We got some baggies that I know of that you can put the frosting in. That's always a good thing. We got some cupcake things. And we got a mini pan. Oh, that's tiny. Make a mini cake. We got a big old pan right here. Thought they would be bigger. And we got this guy. I'm gonna wash these, so make sure you just wash them first. What is this thing? It looks like a burrito. What is this? Huh. Maybe we'll use it. These are nice pans. We got the unlatch right here. There we go, locked in. Pretty deep. So we'll probably use this one for my king's cake. I'll make a small one. That'll work. Alright guys, we're going to see these in action once I get them out of the dishwasher. And then I'll have these included in the cake making one I'm going to do right after. So check these guys out. This is a 100-piece baking set for beginners. And like I am, definitely not no Gordon Ramsay. But check them out. Link is going to be down below for this one. And if you guys want to see the outcome, just hit the subscribe button. And video will be up later on tonight. So be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.